Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sonia Rahman Qureshi and you are watching The First Blast. We're talking about cheap addictions today that includes cigarettes, pan, gutka, chalia. Today we're focusing on things that people, for some peculiar reason, tend to think are harmless, but are actually one of the most harmful things you can do to your life and yourself. Pan, gutka, chalia. All of these can lead to oral cancers, which are horrendous. Some images that I have seen while we were talking about this show are so frightening that I think if those are made public, people will automatically go off it. The other frightening thing about this fact is it starts in children at the age of 7 or 8, so it really starts that early. And gone are the days of nostalgia with our grandmother's pandans, that it's sweet and it's a traditional thing. It is something that is incredibly harmful for you and it should be stopped. Smoking is a no-brainer. It is so bad for your health. People think socially smoking is a lesser evil than drinking and drugs and all, but it is as bad. We are not promoting any of these things, please, but it is important to harp on about the fact that cigarettes are not harmless. And 50% of all cancers usually are caused by smoking. So it is not a myth, it is a fact. Let's go and have a look at the sneak peek and then join us again in the studio with our guests.
Smoking is one of that addiction that once you get hooked to it, you will not be able to give up very easily.
Smoking is just bad for our lungs.
A lot of children start smoking because the influence of their colleagues and their friends.
What is gutka?
Main puri, gutkas, because there are different varieties.
What about naswar?
Naswar is just, it's not a form of taking in tobacco, but the thing is you have to open your mouth and place it inside against your cheek.
The parents should keep an eye on that.
They found out that it is as harmful as
smoking.
The 50% chance that you will die prematurely from tobacco use. So I think people should realize the effect of these